Hi all, welcome to Simple Learn. Today we are going to cover terms and factors of algebra. So what are terms? I have an expression here, xy plus 2xy plus 3x square plus 2. So in this expression, what are terms? Terms are something which is separated with the plus or a minus symbol. Okay, so in this expression, xy is a term, 2xy is a term, 3x square is a term, 2 is a term. So these xy, 2xy, 3x square, 2 are separated with this plus sign, addition symbol. I'll give you another example. 3xy square minus 2xy. In this, 3xy square is a term, 2xy is a term. These two terms are separated with a minus symbol. So, something which is separated with a plus and a minus symbols are terms in algebraic expression. So, in this expression, the terms we are classified into two, like and unlike. Terms are classified into two, like terms and unlike terms. So what are unlike terms and like terms? Here if you take xy is a term, 2xy is a term. Let's check these variables. Here I have x and y, here I have x and y. So these two variables are same. The constant is different. Okay, let's keep the constant aside. Just look at the variable. The variables are same. When these variables are same, we term it as like terms. Let's look at this. 3x square. I don't have a y here. Instead of y, it is x square. Here it is 2xy. When we compare this two terms, these two terms are unlike because here the variable is xy, here the variable is x square. These two variables are different. When these two variables in a term are different, they are called unlike terms. So in this, I have xy, 2xy as like terms, xy and 3x square is unlike, 2xy and 3x square is unlike. So this is term, like term and unlike term. So in this I have this 2. 2 is a number. So this is constant term. All these are variable terms. This is constant term because I don't have a variable here. So if you don't have a variable there, it is called as constant terms. In this 3xy square, 2xy, the variables are different because here xy square, this is xy. So these two are unlike terms. Now let's look at factors. What are factors? Here I have xy, 2xy, 3x square and 2. So if I take these terms out of this, the expression is this. I am taking out the terms from this expression. So the terms of this expressions are xy, 2xy, 3x square, 2. These are terms in this expression. Now, if I have to take a factor of these, factor of this expression, first you find out the terms of this expression and then derive the factors. Factors, how do you find the factors? Factors are nothing but the products of this. So, x, y. X and y makes this term xy. X into y makes the term xy. So I can tell the term xy can be factorized as x and y. Now the term 2xy. 2 is a factor, x is a factor, y is a factor. I get 2xy by multiplying 2, x and y. So I say 2xy, the factors are 2, x and y. Now 3x square. 3 is a factor, x is a factor. Again I have x because I have x square here. So I have 3x and x. Now here I have only 2. And you can always tell 1 is also a factor because 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 is also a factor. So this is how you find the terms and factors. When you get an expression, how do you find terms? How do you find factors? Or by this method. Look at the signs. The terms are nothing but these are terms, factors. Once you take out the terms, factorize that term. That is factors. Now let's look at exponential form and product form in algebra. I have n square here. So this n square is an exponential form. How do I say that? Because this n square I can get by n into n. I multiply n 2 times, I can write in an exponential form as n square. If I write n square as n into n, I call it as product form. So if you have a question which say that convert this exponential form into product form, you convert this into a form where you have the multiplication symbol. Let's look at x square y. How do we write this x square y? Here I have x square means x into x, and then I have a y into y. So this is the product form of this exponential form. X y cube. So this exponent shows how many times the variable is repeating in the product form. Here x does not have a square or a cube here. So x is only one time. X into y cube. This 3 shows that I have to repeat this y 3 times in the product form. Y into y into y. So this is how we write exponential form and product form. So if you get a product form, how do we convert into exponent form? I don't have an exponent form here. I have a product form. N into n into n into n. 1, 2, 3, 4 n's I have. The question is to convert this product form into an exponential form. I will just check what are the variables here. Here I have a variable n. Now, how many times n is repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it is repeating, then I have to give 4 here as an exponent. N to the power 4. Now, here I have x into y into y into x into x, x into x into y into y. I have a variable x, I have a variable y. Now, x how many times it is repeating? 1, 2. So, x to the power 2, y 1 and 2, y to the power 2. This is x square, y square. Next, look at this. Here I have x. I write the variable x. I have y. I have z. X 1 time. Y how many times? 1, 2, 3. X to the power 3 and z is 1 time. So this is how we derive exponential form. I hope you understand these concepts. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.